Mm-mm. Understand. Okay, okay. Um, Day one of my backtesting sessions that I'm going to be doing this every single day live on YouTube every single day. Um, we're going to be backtesting the main strategy I use. For the next like week or two, I'm going to be backtesting this version of the strategy. This is a same IFVG setup. We just have a larger stop loss. I'll show you more what that means. And we're going to be using the journaling feature as well every day. So you're just going to get straight into it. Get to the next day. Uh, Actually, just missed a day accidentally, but that's all right. So, sell side run liquidity. Got like quite quite a big imbalance above on the 4 hour. We look very bearish. See how we react to this fair value gap. Let's see if we reject. Um, we closed this fair value gap and then we're kind of pushing back up. I'm trying to see. Right now we're bullish. Right now I'm bullish. But realistically, I just want to see if we reject this 15 minute. Okay, we kind of did. So this is like the first potential setup. I accidentally went too far. This is the first like potential setup. It does really look good. So we got this delivery. We got a delivery, no sweep, but we got a delivery. Um, Slight LRLR below. Um, Rejecting off a 15 minute as well. We are chopping a bit, and we are like just before market open, so it's a bit. And we are quite bullish. I mean bearish, sorry. Do we have an SMT? No SMT. We didn't tap. To be fair, we didn't tap into this on. So I guess there is an SMT, kind of. So I'm actually gonna draw it out. Even though it's not like a typical SMT, we didn't actually tap into the fair value gap there, but we did here. So I'm just gonna mark that out as an SMT. Honestly, it doesn't like okay, so I don't a lot of the times, right, when I take trades, I have a good instinct that it's gonna work. We haven't closed on there, but We're gonna take it. We're gonna take it. And we're gonna journal it. We're gonna take it and journal it. But I have a weird feeling about this trade for some reason. But we take these. It's kind of hard not to take it. This would be a good loss in my opinion. It's kind of hard not to take a trade like this. Mm, yeah, I know that. Delivery. Say we're in premium. Got some LRLR below. I'd say we do, definitely. We have LRLR here as well. I'm not that confident, but this is a good trade, a really good trade on paper. Yeah, it's just a gut feeling. I'm noting it down because, a lot of the times I have a gut feeling things work and it's not the best setup and it just will work. And then a lot of the things I don't have a good gut feeling about something that does look really good. And then it just doesn't work, even though it's a good setup and I'm just taking it and I'm kind of acting like a robot. But this one I feel like I have to take regardless. There's a good break even point. There's a higher chance we do get break even on this. So yeah. Yeah, so we didn't close on ES. Um, or SMT. Is there anything else I want to write about? No, not really. So let's see. There we go. Oh, actually, we did get break even, I believe. Yeah, we did. But I'm not gonna count that as break even because I think in real time I wouldn't put that as break even anyway. So I'm actually not gonna count that as break even. I'm gonna leave that as a loss. Leave that as a loss. I'm gonna do afterthoughts for this. First let me get that screenshot of the loss. Is it there? Yeah, cool. Um, afterthoughts. Um, don't regret taking as was good set up, but maybe start going with my feeling. That's like, I believe that is my first loss in 12 days, which is decent. Um, yeah, fair enough. Fair enough, fair enough. I'm gonna go with my gut feeling a bit more. Obviously, when you're back testing, you wanna make sure that you're taking as much as you can just to add to your kind of data, if you know what I mean. Choppy, I'm really sure what the bias is. I mean, we're definitely bullish. I think this is our buy side. We're definitely bullish. Open. I tend to not take trades right at the gate of market open. But if I'm being honest, I do have a lot of conviction in this. We had really nice. We have a lot of like dry liquidity below. Market open usually just kind of does this, like it just kind of goes all over the place. So there's a high chance we get wrecked here. So I'm just gonna not take that. Probably should have. There we go. But yeah, no, market open, that could have gone the other way. Okay, so we got kind of like yeah, we kind of just got a repeat of what just happened. So you can see we swept liquidity there, like barely, and then come back and done the same exact thing. I did say we were bullish, but to be honest, I didn't really have. Yeah, we do have data lows on the 15 minute, so we might have to take this. Yeah, so that is data. But this is 15 minute data lows. So good momentum. Um, Another SMT. Yeah. Break even should realistically be here, but I'm gonna go break even a bit earlier just because I don't have the best feeling about this. It ideally would be there, but I do think after taking kind of these two little short highs, obviously the highs on the 30 second, whatever, so they are little bits of liquidity in, if you're being technical. But we're gonna take this, yeah, we'll take it. Mm, It's a 60 confidence rating. Uh, I'll give it a 4 star. Good inverse, good sweep, SMT. Premium. Yeah, I'll give it that. Um, hmm, really good invest in S&T. Not we're gonna add in the 15-minute time frame like that. And just add that to the notes as well. Wow, two losses in a row, just straight. It's these market open plays, man. Straight, two straight losses. Okay, okay. Yeah, just ripped. I'm not really surprised. Yeah, so market price action was very up and down, so I should have sat out this one. 100%. That's just how I feel about it. That's another L. But yeah, like we went very up and down, and trying to catch the top like that after we barely swept is, yeah, not the best. But we're good. We're good. We're good. Okay, so we've gone and inversed that 4 hour. Looking at that. Much movement. Not much movement at all. London session high taken. Open just about to hit. We're reacting off a 15-minute. I usually love these trades. It is before market open, but I usually adore these trades, but I don't know if I want to take this just because I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it. I really, really do like these trades. It's a bit more advanced, but I like the look of it, especially because we've got a bit of like a bowl shape, right? And when we get that bowl shape, especially when we go and reject off it first, we create equal highs, and then we kind of shoot through it with good momentum. I really like that. If you go back, I love taking these setups. Every time I see this like model, I always take it. And I'm pretty sure it always works. Like I'm pretty sure it does. So we're gonna go ahead and place this. Just trying to think if there's anything I'm kind of missing. We have a lot of imbalance below. That is a big shout. There is a lot of imbalance below. But we're gonna go break even around here. This is very risky, right? Very risky because we are just about to hit market open. So again, if we do lose this one, then that is completely on us. But like I said, I do really like the look of this. We target this buy side up here. Um, we have another SMT as well. It's always an SMT. Literally always an SMT. All right, yeah, we're gonna go ahead and place this order. Yeah, there is lots of imbalance below. So we've got break even now, which is what I expected. And we're gonna take one out. Okay, so we got stopped at break even. That's annoying. That's annoying. I had faith. Obviously, we could have taken partials up there in live time, to be honest, but obviously we could have gone on like a. In fact, is there a way? There is a way, I believe. Couldn't like add a 10-second interval, but it's fine. Yeah, it was market open that hit, so that's a win. Very small win because of the contract sizes, but it's not actually about the money because we are backtesting. So there we go. That's the first win of the day. I'm gonna extend this out and then show where we took partials. We took partials like here. Um, Yeah, very small. Looks like we're very bullish now. We're gonna fill the imbalance below now. Looks like we're trying to anyway. The dial it. Took out. Really choppy now. Like, what is this? That's so annoying. I keep clicking too quickly. Yeah, this is like a no-brainer setup for me. We've got like really good market volume, and then we've got a nice sweep. An old sweep, but a nice one. Just sell side to the buy side. Um, like really nice push through. There's not really much to say with this other than this is really textbook. We've got a lot of volume in the markets, and on the 15 minute, I believe yeah, we have targets below. Like we do have targets below. We have imbalance. We have imbalance in the 1 hour. Obviously, we did reject, but we went up and took some liquidity. So yeah, we gotta take this 100%. 100. Did we? That is probably an SMT. Yeah, pretty big SMT again. We were break even. Gonna leave a runner in. Wow, beautiful trade. Really beautiful trade there. That's like the first good one. The first good one of the session. Obviously, we had one earlier, but it wasn't the best. But yeah, this is a really nice one. Like, this is a no-brainer, like I said. Good to see the trade. This is really going to reinforce my confidence of taking trades like that. Yeah, that was damn near a perfect trade. So, yeah, amazing. Really good. Really, really good. Cool. So we just ended up pushing down a bit more, playing into the lower end of that 4 hour fair value gap. Um, that's fine. Closed it on the closed it on the 1 hour. And then I want to see what we do with this 15 minute. Um, maybe look for, yeah, probably want to look for some longs down here. Funnily enough, this is again another potential trade just before market open, which kind of means I probably won't take it, but this is like this looks really good to me. It's not the biggest fair value gap, but that looks really good, right? Because we swept these equal lows. In fact, I don't even know why I saved as that. Like we swept the equal lows, they're protected lows as well because we're inside of fair value gap. We've got decent LRLR above. Oh my God, I have to take this. I have to take this. This is beautiful, bro. This is beautiful. I'm gonna take it. I don't care. And I have decent conviction here as well. I have decent conviction. I'm gonna just take it to this high. In fact, I don't have to take it to the high. I could leave a runner in, take it there. Yeah, I just have a weird amount of conviction for this trade. I'll be honest. Hmm. It's also just really good in theory. It's actually just the LRLR, honestly. I'm gonna go break even here. They are equal highs. So yeah, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, you're just gonna have to allow it. This might not be the. Oh, do we have an SMT? Probably do, bro. Like we've been getting a lot of SMTs. Mm. Yeah, we have another SMT. Surprise, surprise. Telling you guys, you should really make it your job, to identify SMTs as often as you can. They come in really handy in kind of giving you another reason why you should feel confident about a trade, right? Like 100%. Only, but really, only thing is that we are again just for market. risky and has hurt me in the past. So yeah, that is literally the only thing. You know, we've got killed by market open in the past, so it's a bit um S&T as well. Can I say bias? Probably not because we closed on the 1 hour. So I can't really say bias because right now we do look more bearish than bullish. So I can't actually put bias. Cool. Oh shit. Completely destroyed. And that's market open for you. That is market open for you. I mean, there's probably, oh shoot, can I get rid of that? Yeah, there's probably a setup straight after that. If I'm being honest, there probably is. So we're going to see how that plays out. We're not going to enter it because obviously it's one trade a day. It got smoked again. Stop taking trades for market. Honestly, just stop fucking doing any. Oh my God, it's so funny. But there probably was. Let me actually have a look now. Okay, yeah, no. In fact, there is probably news. That does not just look like market open. That looks like 9:30 news. Um, this really does look like 9:30 news. Okay. Until the next day. Ah. Mm, 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 mm. No, I can't believe Cole Palmer got second in the Ballon d'Or rankings. Like, it's just, it's not even a good, like, it's not a good reward, and it's not a good award anymore, man. It just really isn't, bro. It's like, whoever wins the Champions League, whoever does well against the Champions League winner, like Cole Palmer got second in the Ballon d'Or because he scored 2 goals in the final of the Club World Cup. Like, what about Salah, bro? He literally took his team to another trophy, another Premier League. He should be getting up there. He was what, fifth, I think? You know, you didn't see any, like Harry Kane was 13th, right? And he was European's top goal scorer. So, I don't know, man. I genuinely I don't really know how this shit works anymore, bro. So it's just stupid, bro. So stupid. Anyway, um, Hmm. don't really know what the bias is. We look kind of bullish, to be fair. Um, we're just swept highs, but really not much else. We're very high up, so I would take shorts, but I would also take some good longs. Maybe if we like kind of get a big retracement, and I can look for longs. This time we are gonna wait for fucking market open no matter what, bro. Here we go. Cool. I knew we were gonna get an entry there. I just flipping knew it. But I don't like it. Market open scares me. It worked though. It did work. Can we get that inverse? No. Damn, that would have been a good trade, bro. That would have been an amazing trade. Just like that. Yeah, I have FOMO. I have big time FOMO. I just missed out on one of the greatest trades of this whole backtesting session. I honestly did. So I'm just gonna screenshot it myself because this was a great trade. Look at that. Look at that. I didn't even see. We got data loads below as well. And I'm not gonna cheat. I'm not like no. And I'm not your typical back tester, bro. I'm not gonna cheat, and I'm not gonna go back and just take it anyway, bro. Don't see how that helps me. I didn't take the trade. But would you look at that? Is it gonna hit TP or no? We actually need to focus because we're still trading today, so we need to make sure we. All right. Well, yeah. Oh well. I want us to take this. Ideally, if we don't, I'll just find it hard to take any other trades. This looks decent. Does look decent, but we are chopping a bit, and we still didn't sweep these this sell side. Like I said, I'd feel weird leaving that down there, but we are pushing up with quite momentum, but we are a bit high. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it. Not that confident. I'm about like 60, but I'm gonna take it. I feel like we can. Feel like we can get break even. Tap into this 15-minute. But obviously, you don't like how we left this. Right, we had 8:30 news that week. Do we disregard that? Do we disregard that? We shouldn't. We shouldn't. But we didn't really have much of a liquidity sweep either. You know what? No, I'm not gonna take this. We didn't really have much of a liquidity sweep. Okay, it did work, but we didn't really sweep any liquidity. We just swept equal lows. Need to have faith that we'll get another one soon on it. We didn't really sweep any liquidity there. Price action is beautiful on these closes right now. Like really good. A bit too good. It looks like we missed everything we could have got. We are just dumping a lot now. Oh, what the hell? Did it again. But yeah, we are just dumping quite a lot now. There is a bit of a setup here, but I don't know if let's have a look. Yeah, we did dump a bit more, so longs are a bit more justified, but I mean in the grand scheme of things, we didn't yeah, we swept the data lows finally, and we swept the which is really good. Whenever I see like a bunch of lows just kind of paired up like this, that's us taking out a strong support level. So you know what, fuck it, we're gonna go ahead with this. It's funny we missed a lot of good setups today, because of like a bad gut feeling, which is exactly the opposite of what was happening before. I was taking the trades even though I had a bad gut feeling. We target that. I'm not gonna be greedy. And we're gonna tap break even here. And then that's our liquidity sweep. I bet you we have an SMT. No, we don't. No SMT? Really? That's a surprise, isn't it? It's a big surprise. Draw and liquidity is lots of imbalance and a protected high. So yeah, that is some good draw and liquidity. Always got momentum. That's a pretty V shape. I'll give it that. Hmm. Just go cool. Give me 2 6. been on mute this whole time. Fucking hell, I've been on mute this whole time. But I've literally just been talking about I've done a whole thing and I'm not gonna do it again. But I've just been on mute this whole fucking time, bro. That's crazy. Um, yeah, whatever. So yeah, we're gonna stop for today. We've managed to keep our win rate above 75%, which is really good. Ideally, we want it at around like 80%, but 78.95 is really, really good. So really happy about that. Today was a good day. Had a lot of high risk to reward trades. Um, so yeah, yes, yes, yes. Very good. Cool. No worries. We will be back tomorrow.